Good evening, everyone. We have another YouTube video here today. So, we have a question of mathematics associated with number systems this time. So now we have x is equal to root 3 by 2. So we have to find the value of this expression root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x. So, you might be thinking of adding 1 plus root 3 by 2 minus with this 1 minus root 3 by 2 by replacing the value of x with root 3 by 2. And now if we simplify this, we get, by making the denominators common, we get 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus 2 plus root 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. But now the problem arises is that we cannot simplify this expression because there's no perfect square root inside this square root. So that's a problem. So what do we do in this case? Well, let's try to experiment and let's see if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. Let's see if we can get a perfect square and maybe simplify from there. So 2 plus root 3, 2, multiply that by 2, also multiply that by 2. Here, let's just experiment and see. Let's just forget this expression for now, and let's just focus on this expression, and then we can see if this same trick works for this expression as well, because these two expressions are essentially the same type of expression, just the fact that the signs are different, plus x and minus x. So we can just try on one. So now multiplying this with 2, we get 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 4. Alright, so now we can see that this 4 can be broken down into 3s and 1s, 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 upon 4, right? And now we can write this root 3 as root 3 whole squared plus 1 whole squared, because 1 squared is equal to 1, and then we can write this 2 into root 3 into 1 upon 2 squared. Alright, so now in this numerator we can see that the identity of a square, a plus b whole square, is being used. A square plus 2ab plus b squared. So now applying this identity on this question, we can simplify this numerator and denominator as well, because it's in the square, as 3 whole square, and hence this, we got a perfect square inside the root, and then we can simplify this as root 3 plus 1 upon 2, like this. So this is somewhere we have got. So now similarly from this expression we can do something similar to this. We can simplify this expression by multiplying both sides with 2. So multiplying with 2, we get 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. We can break this down into 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 4, and this can be broken down into root 3 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 root 3 1 and 2 squared. And we know that here we are using the identity of a minus b whole squared, a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So now we can further simplify this as root 3 minus 1 whole square, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 whole square, because 2 squared. So yeah, so simplifying this we get root 3 minus 1 upon 2. So now we have simplified both these expressions of the original question we had got. So now we just simply have to add them and we get the answer. So that's fairly simple. So we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus minus, we have minus in the original question, root 3 minus 1 by 2. So now Yes. So now we simplify the question. Root 3 plus 1 minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus. Plus 1 upon 2. Root 3 and minus root 3 gets cancelled. So we get 2 upon 2. The answer is 1. This is our final answer.